I just wanted to show you how I use the dog food that I make for my dogs. I don't know if this is going to be part of a dog food canning video or if I'm just going to use this by itself. This is it. Someone had asked me about this before. This is a quart jar, and this particular jar, it doesn't say it. I believe it's rabbit and sweet potatoes and some green beans. That's what it looks like to me. And this is what I'm going to do. I put a cup of water, just like I'm, hey, shh, stop it. A cup of water just like I'm making regular rice. And then I put a half a cup of rice. Oh, the lights came on. And then I put the liquid from the dog food. And then I just stir that around. And I cook it on low until the rice is done. Sometimes it takes 20 minutes, sometimes it takes 15, it just depends. And then when that's done, I'll show you what else I do. Pretty easy stuff. And there sits Reese waiting for dinner. There he is. And there's Riley. Alright, this is what the rice is going to look like. It's actually been cooking about 25 minutes. And then I'm just going to take this, what's left in this jar, put it in here and mix it up. And then I will save this jar. I'm not going to wash it. I'll save this jar, and then when all this cools down, I'll put it back in the jar and store it in the refrigerator. And they absolutely love this. They're sitting here because they can smell it. Their dinner time is 5 o'clock, and it is now 5:30, and I'm late because I was busy doing stuff, so they are now going to have to wait for this to cool down. But that's all there is to it. And my guys get dry food in the morning, and this here will last them 5 or 6 dinners for the 2 of them. So there you go. That's how I make, finish up my dog food from what I can, from all the leftover stuff that I have. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.